First game of the night. Yes. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the brains. Round 1. Summon Barrage, pop the Barrage, special summon the Ram, then went to Chakin 9, so that's 1, 2 summons, 3. I usually go Hammer Kong first, and then 4th would be, wait a minute, check that, 2, 3, and then 4th one would be Dryden. Turnando. I did not want to set Conquistador. What happened if I don't draw a spell and I need to pop something with Eldritch? Or also, if he gets rid of Trident, then I can't special summon and put him in defense and defend my... What the f... And I can't defend my life points. Shaddolls Fusion. From your hand or field. Actually, from your deck. Oh, so you can use from the deck. Oh, Ash. Call by the grave? No. He's like, damn it! Time out, time out. It's got a couple minutes. I'll take the time out. Yeah, I would take that time out. Time up, time up. Yes! Let's duel! Wins! From... Oh, he just disconnected like that. That's cool. That was an easy win right there. First game of the night. It's I was at 1195. Now I'm at 1205. Yes! Time out! Comment, share, like if you subbed it, if you liked it. See you guys.